Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a product installation video for Dazuma's Rattan Wave Pendant Light. There is a wide variety of product accessories available, so we recommend that you organize them properly before installing the product, just as we did. The product packaging includes a large accessory kit containing 1 small bag of screws, 2 screws and 2 screw caps, 2 transparent cable grippers, accessory A lower, transparent cable clip, accessory B upper transparent cable clip, accessory C upper metal cable clip, accessory D metal cable ring, accessory F to top cover, mounting screws, 1 metal top cover, and 1 mounting metal plate, 1 high-intensity light bulb, 1 lighting channel system, 1 bamboo and rattan lampshade. First, connect part B, the upper transparent cable clamp, to part C, the upper metal cable clamp, and then attach them to the top cover. Then install accessory D, metal cable clamp, and tighten it. Then thread the power cord from the light channel system through the small openings in accessory A, lower transparent cable guide. Then thread the power cord from the light tracking system through the top cover. Then connect accessory A lower transparent cable guide to accessory B, upper transparent cable guide, and tighten it. Place the metal mounting plate inside your electrical box. Then use an electric drill to install the 2 mounting screws included in the screw kit. Connect the product's wires to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Next, place the top cover back on and tuck the product's wires neatly into the top cover and electrical box. Install accessories F to top cover mounting screws into the holes at both ends of the top cover. Next, remove the retaining ring from the headlight's slot system. Align the small holes in the bamboo and rattan lampshade and install it. Reinstall the retaining ring. Install the high-intensity bulb into the light slot and tighten it. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.